What up YouTube, it's your boy Dan the Man here with another video. For this video, I'm going to be taking this here fishing pole that I picked up. I fished it out from under the Fort Myers Beach Bridge. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be cleaning it. I'm going to try to clean it with a Brillo pad and soap and water. It's got some braided line on it. I'm not sure what brand the rod is, but the reel, if you can see that, it's a Penn reel. So I know those are really good quality. As you can see, it's covered in all these barnacles. So I'm not sure how long it was underwater. But we're gonna see how this goes. Got a bucket here of water with a Brillo pad. So I'm gonna try my best. Oh yeah. I think it's so cool that I was able to find this. So as I said, I was fishing under the Fort Myers Beach Bridge on Friday, this past Friday. And I came across this. Well, I had my other two fishing poles out. I had shrimp on my sea lion, and then on my other Penn reel, I had live pinfish. And I put a giant pinfish on, and I threw it all the way at the end of the water. And 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes in, I noticed the rod was my Penn rod with the fish was bending, like a lot. So I figured I had something big. I was fishing for shark. That's what I was going for. And then as I was reeling it in, at first it looked like a stick, like a giant stick that was just floating by that I caught. I guess my line got tangled with the line on this rod. And yeah, I was so shocked to pull it. Not only did I pull out those two snapper, but I was also able to take this. And if I am able to salvage the whole rod, then that'll be great. The rod is small and very light, but what interests me was the reel, the Penn reel. That's what caught my attention, because I'm a big fan of Penn fishing products. Now, I'm not sure what weight, what type of line. I know it's a braided line on here. I'm not sure how heavy the braided is. And it's got what looks like a 3/4 ounce weight and a small rusty old hook at the end. So I'll probably change that. Yeah. This is a great find. I'm also not all covered in muck. Alright, so starting to get through to where I can read the label on the rod and see it right there. St. Crew, St. I know it's a big fishing rod company, and I know they're supposed to have really good quality stuff. I want to say it's St. Croix, and the exact type of rod is something inshore. The name of the rod is right there, of the specific make and model, as well as all the information. So I think for a first scrub, I think it's good. I'm gonna take. So yeah, washing it, you see a lot of the dirt and the muck come off. Alright, so after the first wash of getting all the muck out, this is what it looks like. So, see, now it's just the barnacles that I have to get off. Now if you look, see how this is going to look. See, right here, it's a 6-foot 7-inch medium light power rod with fast action silicone graphite and a 6 to 14 pound line with 1/8 to a 1/2 ounce lure weight is what it's recommended for. And then you can see here, it's a Penn Spinfisher 6 reel. Take mono, braid, all that. So now I'm going to try to scrub the barnacles off it and see if we can really get it clean. Stay tuned. That's about the best I can do with the steel wool.